MySep Studio tutorials. How to import process data from a process simulation. I have a MySep Studio project with 3 vessels. I want to import process data into the first stage separator vessel. I click here and go to process data. By default, we have some dummy data under case 1. Now we'll click the Import Cases button and select from Simulator option. In the Simulator Communications form, we can select which simulator we choose to use. I'll select HYSYS. Note that import works in a similar way for all simulators. Then we click Connect. This workflow finds active simulation cases for HYSYS running on your computer. We select the target case and we select the target separator. Here we see that separator on the HYSYS flowsheet. Returning to MySep Studio, let's select to put our vessel stream data into case 1. And let's name this case Base Case. We click the Get Data button. A message confirms successful import. Returning to the project and our first stage separator, we can preview the data we've imported. We have process operating conditions and we have flow rates with physical properties for gas, hydrocarbon and water. We can repeat these steps to add more process cases. Let's review overall results. And check for any warnings. There is one critical warning and 3 other issues we should investigate. For any further assistance, email support@mysep.com. Thank you and goodbye.